Turbo power, high availability, OE quality. With febi, we make it possible. With over 2,000 turbochargers and 600 Pro kits, we offer one of the most complete ranges on the market. New and remanufactured models cover up to 95% of all OE applications for cars, light commercial vehicles and trucks, making febi the one-stop shop for the independent aftermarket.
Turbochargers are complex systems with highly sensitive components. They directly affect engine performance, fuel consumption and emissions. Our Turbo Competence Centre here in Frechen is at the heart of our expertise. Quality, precision and reliability. That's what our 25 specialists work for every day.
Each turbocharger is tested, remanufactured and certified of the highest OE standards. Disassembly, cleaning and assembly. Every unit is 100% tested according to manufacturer specifications.
Quality assurance includes testing oil lines, documenting every step, and verifying performance for long-term reliability.
We also offer a wide range of oil line mounting kits and over 600 Turbocharger Pro kits, available as complete repair solutions or individual parts to cover every repair need. All turbos come from trusted names like Garrett and Borgwarner, full kits or single repair parts. What's your next repair?
As you can see, quality is our top priority. Therefore, you should get boosted with OE turbochargers from febi.